Ever wondered how to schedule your Facebook posts so they go out automatically, whether it's tomorrow or next week? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to schedule posts on Facebook, even if you've got a whole bunch lined up. And stick around, because at the end, I'll share a bonus trick that makes managing your scheduled posts even easier. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. It really helps the channel, and you won't miss out on tips like this. Let's dive in. Go ahead and open the Facebook app. It works whether you're on iPhone, Android, or even on your computer at facebook.com. Now, in the past, you needed third-party tools just to schedule posts. But the good news is, Facebook now lets you do it directly within the app. Here's how. Tap on what's on your mind to start creating your post. I'm just going to type hi as an example, but you can write whatever you like. After your post is ready, tap next at the top right corner. Now here's the important part. Under who can see your post, you'll notice scheduling options. Tap on that. Choose schedule for later and set your desired date and time. For instance, if you want the post to go live tomorrow at 8 a.m., just set it and tap save. Finally, hit the post button and you'll see Facebook preparing your post for scheduling. But wait, there's more. Once you've scheduled your post, look at the bottom right corner and tap Manage. This is where you can view all your scheduled posts in one place. See the post at the top? That's the one set to go live tomorrow. And that's it. You've just learned how to schedule posts on Facebook quickly and easily. Bonus tip. Here's a little bonus for you. You're not limited to just one post. You can build an entire content calendar by repeating this process and stacking up multiple posts to go out automatically. It's perfect if you're managing a busy page or just want to stay ahead with your content strategy. Was this helpful? Let me know in the comments if you're planning to schedule your posts today, or if you still have any questions, I'll be happy to help out. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.